Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to set price per guest on booking.com. Now first of all, go to the section where you have listed your property. Now as you can see, like I have listed two properties. So let's say I want to open this property, and once you open this property, so let me just go to this one. So you will see the list, like everything, all the details related to your property which you have already added. So inside this section called pricing and calendar, just head to this section, pricing and calendar. Just click on continue, and once you click on continue, so they will ask you the price, like price guest pay, like this is basically for one guest, or you can say the total amount. So you can just enter, let's say I want to enter this amount, and after that just click on continue. And once you click on continue, so after that you will see an option like this one. As you can see, price per group size. Now group size is basically how many people you are going to, let's say, how many people in the room can live, or how many get discount. Like as you can see, like one person 7,000, if two-person, it is also same amount. So if you want to like set it to different price, just click on edit. And now as you can see, this option is disabled, just click on enabled. And now as you can see, like one guest is basically 10% discount. If you are two guests, so you will get, let's say, you can just increase the discount price as well. Add it to this one. Let's say like I've set it to 8% discount, like one guest like for this amount, and two guests is for this amount. So you can save the amount. Now as you can see, like these two guests are the prices are different for both of these guests, either it is one or two. You can just click on save, and now this has been added into your property. As you can see, like if you're one, for this price, if you're two, for this price. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can set price per guest on booking.com inside your property. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.